fix this Apple ID has not been used in the iTunes store. So the most common reason why this is happening to you is because you didn't add your shipping address or billing address. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to your screen, go ahead to the general settings, and here what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into my iCloud or Apple ID, and from here what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to the payment and shipping. I'm gonna wait off for a few moments right here. And as you can see, the payment and shipping appeared to me. If you haven't added the payment method, just go ahead and add the payment method. And if you have a credit card or a debit card, just go ahead and do that. And if you have phone number, just do that as well. And basically what you're gonna do along the process, you're gonna just go ahead to the billing address right here, and you're gonna add your first name and surname, and you're gonna add your billing address or shipment address. And basically after you confirm that this is your credit card or debit card, you're gonna wait out for a few moments, and after Apple confirms with your credit card company, you'll be able to fix that problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.